Have you ever wondered what magical force turns a tiny, hard kernel into a fluffy, delicious piece of popcorn? It's not magic, it's science, and it's absolutely fascinating. Let's embark on the amazing journey of a popcorn kernel, from a humble seed to your favorite movie night snack. So, what's the secret inside this little powerhouse? Every popcorn kernel has three key parts: the pericarp, which is the tough outer hull, the germ, which is the embryo, and the endosperm. The endosperm is a starchy center that also contains a tiny droplet of water, about 14% moisture, to be exact. This water droplet is the key to everything. When you heat up a popcorn kernel, that tiny bit of water inside starts to get really hot. It boils and turns into steam. As we know, steam takes up way more space than liquid water. This creates immense pressure inside the kernel, pushing against that tough outer hull, the pericarp. The starchy endosperm inside starts to soften and becomes gelatinous, kind of like a hot, gooey gel. The pressure keeps building and building and building, until the pericarp just can't take it anymore. Pop! The hull fractures and the superheated, pressurized steam inside violently expands. As it bursts out, it carries the softened starch with it. The moment this starch hits the cooler air, it solidifies into the weird, wonderful, and airy foam structure we know and love as popcorn. It's basically the kernel turning itself inside out in a delicious explosion. But have you ever noticed those unpopped kernels at the bottom of the bowl? We call them old maids. Why don't they pop? It usually comes down to one of two reasons. Either the hole was damaged, meaning it had a tiny crack or hole, so the steam couldn't build up enough pressure. It just leaked out, or the kernel was too dry. If it doesn't have that crucial 14% water content, there's not enough steam to create the pressure needed for that spectacular pop. Now, why does only popcorn pop? You can't just throw any corn into a pan and expect the same result. Popcorn is a special variety of flint corn. Its pericarp is much stronger and less porous than that of other corn types, like sweet corn or dent corn. This unique, super strong hull is what allows the incredible pressure to build up inside, leading to that explosive transformation. Other types of corn have weaker hulls that will just crack or split open without the dramatic pop. So the next time you're settling in with a big bowl of popcorn, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science happening inside each kernel. It's a tiny, high-pressure steam engine, a natural marvel of physics and chemistry that results in one of the world's most beloved snacks. From a tiny seed with a drop of water to a fluffy, crunchy treat, the journey of a popcorn kernel is truly amazing. Thanks for joining me on this delicious scientific adventure. If you found this as cool as I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun facts. Until next time, stay curious.